आता खबरो विस्तारान. उत्कृष्ट ऑनलायन सेवे खातीर स्कॉच ऑर्डर ऑफ मेरिट अवॉर्ड आनी स्कॉच गोल्ड अवॉर्डान उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारीक सन्मानीत केला. ह्या वेळार मुखेलमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकर, महसूल मंत्री रोहन खंवटे आनी उत्तर गोंय जिल्लोधिकारी नीला मोहनन आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आसले. आरडीएक्स खातीर परवरच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
The department, the Collector North has got an award. There is one is the Skoch Order of Merit, which is given for the District Administration North Goa, which is a gold award. The gold and platinum and हे जे awards असतात, silver असतात, तातून the best award is the gold award, which is received by Revati from jail at Delhi, along with Sangeeta of jail, but conferred to District Administration North Goa, where the e-revenue, which is having the e-governance at platform for as a single window for all this type of services. Secondly, another award which are milestones for the government and the department, I would say is the Skoch Award, the Gold Award again for District Administration North Goa for this initiatives what they have taken. आता हे award दिल्ली गेले झाले आणि ताजे खातीर the CEO of jail Revati and the team were there to receive these awards on behalf of the revenue department. Jailचे initiatives whatever have been we have done through jail and the synchronization of the departments to ensure free delivery, I think yet services आम्ही आज प्राप्ती केल्ले आसा.